Ultraloq Smart Lock U-Bolt Pro. The Ultraloq Smart Lock U-Bolt Pro is a 6-in-1 keyless entry smart lock. It has multiple lock/unlocking features that leverage different technologies. These features include a touch-and-go 360-degree live fingerprint ID, an anti-peep keypad, a smartphone with auto unlock and shake to open, as well as a classic mechanical key. You can easily control the smart lock via Bluetooth and use your smartphone to grant others access and keep a log of who enters your home. It's also possible to use an e-key to grant permanent access to family or certain individuals for specific dates and times, or to grant colleagues, guests, or service maintenance people temporary access. If you wish to read my entire review, please check out the page below for more information.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.